Greetings, everybody. Wanted to do a cold start. We got 151,000 miles. A lot of people say these develop timing chain issues, but I think with proper oil, that eliminates the problem. So I just wanted to show what this one with 151,000 miles on the clock, and oil changes every 10,000 miles with the proper Mercedes-Benz spec oil sounds like. Let's see if I can reach over and put the phone over here. Let's get under there. So no timing chain rattle or anything like that. The only rattle is just the cover. That's how one of these should sound, with proper maintenance, proper oil, and so forth. It is a little louder when it's cold, but that's just normal. That's why it's way down once